Alright, YouTube. I've made some changes to the dragster. You can see the change I've made. Put a little front spoiler on it. Not only does it help keep the nose down through aerodynamics, but it also increases the nose weight. So now, with the same rubber band, I'm not able to make it wheelie. I haven't really wound it up to the point where the rubber band breaks because I'm afraid that these will slip before the rubber band breaks. So pushing forward, I think I might put another spoiler right here, perhaps, and increase the thickness of the rubber band. Or really, I should just design a new one with what I've learned with this one in mind. But let me go ahead and give you a whole run of it. So now it has so much weight that I can get the rubber band almost all the way to the rear pulley before it starts to want to flip over on me. Yeah, see, it's starting to want to lift up. Alright, so now I gotta hold it. Let's see. That's one. And sometimes it doesn't release if I wind it up too much. So I think that's like 3 winds around the rear axle. Just gonna hold it by the frame this time. Let it go. 3, 2, 1. May have just broken my front spoiler. I don't know. But you can tell it's a little bit slower with the front spoiler because obviously it's got a little bit more weight. Yeah. It's very important that I made this front lip super close to the surface because not only is it a, if I can get to focus, not only is it a spoiler in the traditional sense, but it's also a ground effect. So far as car talk is not as in like my not as in like these guys. Those are ground effect gliders. This one's this is the opposite. It's meant to hold it down, so it creates a suction up underneath there with a little bit of air that gets up underneath it. I should add little skirts, paper skirts to the side to help it not allow air to bleed out through the sides. But like I said, I feel like I've kind of pushed this thing to the max, mainly because of how I've constructed this assembly. So maybe back to the drawing board. Thinking maybe one big wheel, and then maybe some pulleys to get more string on, to get more force. And of course, more aerodynamic surfaces. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.